Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can connect your TCL Smart TV with a pen drive. So if you have a pen drive, a USB pen drive, and if you want to connect it with your TCL Smart TV. So TCL Smart TV has a port on this side of the device. So if you want to connect it, you can simply go and connect it to the device. So as soon as you connect it, as you can see, it is showing me that if a USB is connected, so I can simply go to OK. And to explore the content, I have installed this application. It's called CX File Explorer. It provides more detailed, file view of the pen drives. So I can click to open it. From here on, I can explore the files, whatever that I have in my pen drive, and I can really open any file that I want to. So this is how you connect your TCL Smart TV with your pen drive. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.